Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, let's prepare colorful, tasty and healthy pinkish beetroot dosa. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon, which helps us to bring even more interesting recipes. Let's get started with the preparation. Chop the beetroot into small cubes and add to the jar. Then add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or jeera and few black peppercorns. Also 2 medium-sized dried red chilli. Add half teaspoon of salt. Also add water in small quantities to make it into a smooth paste. This is how beetroot paste looks like. Here is regular dosa batter, which is made with rice and urad dal. There is already a video on preparing perfect dosa batter with tips and tricks. Please check the link of it in the description below. Now take 3 scoops of this dosa batter and add 3 tablespoons of beetroot paste. Mix well. Batter turns very colorful. Healthy beetroot dosa batter is ready. Now heat the pan and keep it to medium flame. Pour the batter, spread it uniformly. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Let it cook in medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. It starts to change its color. After 4 minutes, crispy, tasty and healthy pinkish beetroot dosa is ready to serve. Even kids enjoy eating this beetroot dosa. We hope you like this colorful recipe. If yes, hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Also, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.